positif terinfeksi virus corona disebut
hujan deras yang turun tanpa henti. Beberapa hari terakhir juga menyebabkan banjir bandang.
Deretan gunung berapi aktif di Indonesia erupsi serentak.
Bangunan rusak akibat gempa bumi bermagnitudo 6,7 skala Richter.
Ya pemirsa, puluhan warga di Desa Tunggul, Irang, Martapura terpaksa mengungsi karena banjir belum surut.
Deretan gunung berapi aktif di Indonesia erupsi serentak.
As we know, there's so many natural disasters that have occurred in Indonesia.
Badan Nasional Penanggulangan Bencana note that throughout 2021 there had been about 763 disasters.
Which is there has been a flash flood in the East Nusa Tenggara area.
The victims caused by this disaster were 181 people died, 47 victims have not been found, 250 people were injured, and 126 459 houses were damaged.
The other side of the disaster that have hit Indonesia repeatedly is the emergency of a sense of empathy.
Therefore, we decide to help those affected by disaster.
Due to the considerable distance, we cooperate with the aid to send donations in the form of daily necessity.
Aksi Cepat Tanggap is a global aid distribution.
ACT sendiri ini kita udah global ya. Yayasannya udah global, udah mencakup di dunia, gitu udah sampai 70 negara.
Yeah, we arrived at ACT in Depok City. Here, we handed over aid in the form of 3 boxes of instant noodles, 7 boxes of hot mask, and 10 kilo of rice. We were greeted by one of the volunteers of ACT, and we submitted a donation. After the handover, we were invited to discuss where to send these donations and also the long history of ACT. Establishment as a forum for volunteers.
ACT sendiri itu berdiri tahun 2005, pada di tanggal 22 April. Pas lagi waktu itu bencana Aceh. Alhamdulillahnya itu ya, dalam waktu dekat ini bakal ada kapal kemanusiaan yang bakal berangkat. Kemarin di Sulawesi Barat dan juga Kalimantan Selatan itu kita ngirim sampai 1000 ton bahan pangan ke Sulawesi Barat dengan kapal kemanusiaan. Jadi memang pakai kapal, kita siapin logistiknya, kita kirim ke Sulawesi Barat. Dan tadi dapat kabar juga di NTT akan ada pengiriman juga ke sana dengan kapal kemanusiaan barang TNI. Nah itu juga lagi kita gagas gitu ya, terkait bahan-bahannya yang dikumpulkan dari wilayah-wilayah yang akan dikirimkan ke sana. ACT sendiri ini kita udah global ya. Yayasannya udah global, udah mencakup di dunia, gitu udah sampai 70 negara di se-global, udah dibantu untuk sama-sama kita bersama iman. Gitu. Dan kantor cabang kita sudah ada di seluruh cabang kantor kota dan kabupaten di Indonesia 34 dan sampai daerah-daerahnya sudah ada. Terakhir update sampai 80-an kantor cabang dan juga di seluruh linear nih, di unit-unit di Indonesia kayak daerah-daerah kayak misalkan Nusa Tenggara Timur gitu, NTT, Di NTT saat ini belum ada, mungkin saat ini lagi terbentuk. Di NTB kemarin ada, di Lombok ada, gitu, sama kayak kemarin di Sulawesi Barat. Nah itu juga tadinya belum ada tuh pas kemarin gempa sama Sulbar sama Kalsel. Di Sulbar akhirnya dibuat langsung.
I hope always be given a sincerity and become a field of introspection on what is wrong between your relationship with nature and your God.
I hope that all this disaster will quickly pass and everything can recover soon.
My best wishes to them is remain strong. You can get through all of this.
I hope that what has happened to this will end soon and be replaced by happiness.
Stay optimistic and not resign ourselves to the situation.
I hope for the disaster victims is that they will be given patience and can continue their life.
A disaster will be a pleasure if we succeed in responding to it with gratitude, patience, and tawakal.
I hope the situation can be more better. Stay healthy, stay strong, and be careful. Be kind, be humble, be empathetic.
Lihatlah dan bukalah mata hatimu, melihatnya lemah terluka, namun semangatnya takkan pernah pudar hingga Tuhan akan berikan jalan.